we introduce the Smart Safety Solutions MUSAGO. As look at the types of construction accidents by risk factor, the 40% of accidents occur in temporary structures like earth membrane, copper barrier, formwork, etc. Facilities are subjected to external factors, such as heavy rainfall, blasting impacts, etc. If you do not observe the slightest change in the structure caused by the external environment, that can lead to a major accident. MUSAGO Cube is a smart safety equipment mounted on the structures, which predicts the risk of accidents. It has a built-in high-precision inclinometer sensor, and it detects and analyzes the subtle tile changes in the structure in real time. The compact cube design makes it easy to install in a variety of structures. High-capacity battery provides over a year of operation for easy maintenance. The information collected from each MUSAGO cube is sent to the MUSAGO platform via the gateway device. MUSAGO platform model's slope changes over time to assess the safety and the risk of structure. When a sudden change in slope detects a structure at risk of collapse, built-in siren and warning lights immediately alert you to the danger, and a variety of interconnected MUSAGO products nearby workers to evaluate urgently the safety managers are notified for follow-up. Prevent safety incidents and manage the hazardous environment smartly with MUSAGO Solution.